Here is another simple job to do. Setting in this beautiful mounting, this beautiful blue sapphire. I spread those prongs to make sure that stone fits nicely inside the ring, and on the microscope I can still see that the stone is a little bit too high and it's not supported in some places, so we'll make additional seat maybe not additional seat, but we'll make a seat correction. The seat that is made into the ring should reflect the outside edge of the stone, and it should be supported. Stone should be supported in as many areas as possible. Using burr, you're removing part of the gold. Okay, a little bit more work here and there. When we set stones, we apply pretty much sometimes we apply too much pressure, and stone can break if it's not. It doesn't have a good support. Well, I can see now the bottom of the lower part of the stone is touching many areas in that seat, so I think it's ready to be set. Also, this is since this is cushion cut sapphire, and we have only one prong for each corner. Prong is not very wide, but still I was able to make a round seat inside. Sort of, the prong should not be flat in this area. It should be half rounded, again to reflect the edge of that stone, the girdle of the stone. Those parts of the stone that is going to be covered by the prong is not sharp, but it's not round either. It's rounded a little bit. So when we round the prong, the stone will not have a tendency to dislocate. If you just set the stone like that with a round prong, stone will dislocate sooner or later. So I think we're ready to set the stone. I bend those prongs so it's easier to push those prongs down now. And now I'm just bringing those prongs closer to the stone. No, it's not straight, it's still tilted one way. So I need to correct the seat. That is better. Yeah, that's better. That's actually pretty good. Stone is straight from each side, from profile of the stone, and as well from the top is straight. And I think I can finish setting. Looks good, looks, maybe it's good. And stone is set. All we have to do now is smooth prongs and set it. Using file with a polished edge so we don't scratch the stone. The sapphire will not get scratched easily, but if you work with a very soft stone, for example tanzanite, you need to be very careful. And this edge has to be polished and smooth, and you cannot apply too much pressure because you will scratch the tanzanite around the prong. Dismount this table. And using brown wheel we can smooth prongs. What I have to do is polish. We'll move to the polishing station. Okay, alright, this is the sapphire ring with the sapphire we just set. All we have to do is polish it. Ring is new, so we don't have to do too much polishing. Just prongs, a little bit shank. Now all I have to do is ultrasonic, clean, steam, and the ring is ready to be displayed. Here we are again with this ring. Is displayed with a tag. We have to change the price because we are adding that stone, but ring is ready for adoption. We'll put it to the case tomorrow. It's all polished and set. The nice 4 prongs. It's a beautiful sapphire, Ceylon sapphire. Thank you very much.